All right, guys. Good night. I know it's been a while. Okay. Today, for tonight, I will be going quickly over a couple examples. All right, and for the past work I gave you last 2 weeks or so. All right, we were dealing with the conversions of binaries to dinaries, which means base 2 to um, base 10. All right, and then I left you a couple other videos with the other way around, which is the conversion from base 10 to base 2. All right, the opposite. Okay, so I will quickly show you an example of each, and from there, then there would be another link in your Moodle for you to go ahead and sit a little quiz. All right, I want to see if you guys have practiced, or you guys have also being in solidarity with us teachers in the strike. Okay, but just remember, you need to practice. All right, so let me here quickly write um, a binary. Okay, I showed you the long way how to go about working, and there's another way also. Of course, once you know your factors of your bases, right? You know it's a base 2. You can go with the different factors or the powers. Okay, you know that it goes for each one of them. It goes to the power starts with 1, right, to the power 2, 3, and so on. Whatever it is there, it will be multiplied by the amount. For example, here is to the 1 is what? 2, to the 3, to the 4, 5, and 6, right? So if you break it down as I showed you in brackets, for example, okay, let me start here with let's start with this first one. Okay, 0 to the 2, right? Come up here with 1 to the 2 here, and the fifth, plus the other one is 1 to the, remember it's binary, so it goes to the 2, base 2, take that, 4. So I forgot to write this one here to the 6, brackets, plus here, of another 1, 2 to the 3rd power, here, then another 0 to the 2 to the 2nd power. Alright. Okay. Last one goes 1 times 2 the first. Okay. No, okay. Let me make my correction here, guys. Alright, I hope that it is to the 0, 1, it starts with 0, yes. 2, this is 3, this is 4, make the corrections, okay? And this is 5, alright? This is 5, this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, and this is 0. Okay, and I did mention you that anything to the 0 power will always be 1. 1 times 1 will be 1 here, plus, in this case I don't even have to multiply. Why? Simply because we have a 0 here as a bit, which anything that you multiply to the 0 will automatically be 0. Okay, here that means that 2 will be multiplied 2 times, which means 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 times 1, 4, right, plus This means 2 times 2 times 2, all right, which means 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 1, 8, okay, plus the 2 multiplies 4 times, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16, 16 times 1 is 16. And here I won't even bother because again, we have a 0, automatically it's a 0, all right? So I go ahead and this, in addition, 16 and 4, that's 20, and 8, 28, and 1, 29, base 10, all right? So this is a conversion from base 2 to base 10, okay? I can quickly make this here. For some people, I would accept once you have the digits written properly, okay? Why? Simply because there are some people that already know it by memory. What do they know by memory? This right here, see? This will be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 20, 32. And if it continues another one, it will go to 64. And if it goes on, it goes to 128. All right. Those are the powers or the factors when you multiply them. 2 to the 0 means 1. All right. That's right here. 1 times 1 is 1. It still remains. 2 to the first is 2. All right. 2 to the second means 2 times 2 is 4. 2 to the third means 2 times 2 times 2, which means 8. All right. So if you know that by heart, means that you don't even have to show the work. And so you just go 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. All right. Look at this. So anything to the 0, I don't even have to do any calculation there. So I omit them automatically. And I will just add what? The ones that have the ones. 8 plus 4, that's 12 plus 1, 13 to the base 10. All right, so that means that 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 base 2 is 13 in base 10. Okay, so those would be the conversion of base 2 to base 10. Now the other way around, 34 base 10 to base 2. Okay, conversion to base 2. Again, I hope that the videos, you look at the videos. What you simply do is you divide that by the base 2. From here, 2 and 34 inside. What do you write on your corner here is your remainders, right? And you start dividing 2 into 34. That means 2 into 3, that's 1. Remainder 1 right here. 2 into 14, 17. Remainder 0. All right. 2 into 17. And very important for you guys to know your times table. Don't think that you need to take out a calculator for that. 2 into 17, all right, means 2 times something that gives me 17 or close to 17. 2 times 8, all right, that means that 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Remainder 1, okay. 2 into 8, that's 4. Remainder 0. 2 into 4, that's 2, remainder 0 again. 2 into 2, that is 1. Okay. Remainder 0. 2 into 1 cannot go, alright, but that 1 is still a remainder. Okay, so you have it there. So how do you write it? From top to bottom, right? From right to left. Let's see, I hope that I have that correct. Okay, so it would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 1 0. Okay, base 2. This should be my answer in base 2. Let's see if that is true. Simply I go back 1 2 4 8 16 32. So there I am making a little mistake. Okay, because if I add at the 16 plus 1 at the 17 won't give me this. So it will not be this one. Alright, so please make the correction from top to bottom, left to right. That is the way you write it. 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, look at it again. 34 base 10 into base 2 is 1 0 0 0 1 0. Let's see now. Check it. Cross check. 1 2 4 8 16 32. Alright, remember I told you the factors right up here. Anything with a 0 won't even matter. Alright, to add anything with the zeros, only the one with the 1, so that is 1 here, that's 32, plus the other one with the 1 is 2. Alright, 32 and 2 gives me 34. Alright, so therefore my conversion is correct. Okay, and this is what I expect you guys to be learning, to be doing, to do your rough work if there is any, especially in the quiz that you will have in a while. It has a multiple choice. The answer is there, but you will need to do the working in order for you to get the correct answer. Okay, so those will be the conversion base 2 to base 10, vice versa, base 10 to base 2, right? So please, you can go ahead and rewind the video. All right, it will be uploaded. You can always watch it over. All right, look at the other videos I have shared with you a couple of weeks ago, and upload it before time is up. Okay, so anything that's not that clear, you can always text me. Okay, all right, good. So I will see you next class, or any changes I will text you. Okay, all right, good night.